Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to backtest our trading strategy on TradingView. So make sure you will have logged in, and here you will see the strategy tester. So I will just tap on it simply and you will just have to apply it to the chart. Make sure to select the right symbol and time interval you would like to test. I will just tap on it and load my strategy. And example, I will just tap on the Bollinger and bands and strategy. Simply just tap on it. So it will be just show you the technical analysis before you trading, and here you will see the overview, the performance, trade analytics, risk performance ratio, and the trade off list. So what we're gonna do, if you want to just change it simply, so here is the option of delete icon, remove objects. I will just tap on it simply and remove one indicator. So you will just choose again whatever you want to just find the strategy, and you will have to backtest on TradingView. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.